I was tired of looking like a mole rat. This glow up is personal. Rose water is always gonna do it every time. Like if you have really dry skin, that'll do it. I think it even helps with oily skin. I had to get a little bit more light going so y'all could really get the deeds. Like, this is not a joke. This glow up is personal. I just feel like I'm done playing games. Like, I'm done playing with myself, because what I be doing is acting like my intuition ain't right, acting like XYZ. No, bitch, you're a bad bitch, you're a confident bitch, and you really are the light of people's lives. Why the fuck don't you act like it? And then that's when I step back and I'm like, wow, bitch, I've been doing this all my fucking life. And it comes out in the way I look sometimes too, because I'll be like, you know what, I don't need to look like this, but the whole time I really do be saving shit on my Pinterest. It's like, bitch, if you finna be doing all that, if you finna be inspired, if you have the idea to do this random color one day, like, bro, get the fuck up and do it. And I used to do that all the time when I wasn't as much in survival mode. So I learned from my past self, and I learned from my higher self as well. And bitch, new nails, bitch, new piercing, bitch, what's up? Piercings are back in. Okay, we're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it. Oh, I didn't show y'all like the stuff I got from the beauty supply store. So let's do a haul. Here's the hair. We got what we need, because Lord knows I'm only keep this in for like 3 fucking days. Like me, I'm trying to keep it in as long as I can, but she's cute. And to go with my hair, you're like, how does this go with your hair? I don't know. It does. It does to me. Pop a color, pop a color. It was either between this or it was between, well, I said it was either between this or blonde, right? For the highlight. Because I had to have a highlight. I just have to do that. And they said this warm tone goes better. And I think it does, because red is complementary to green. So the ginger is a little slight change, because this ain't the green anyway. So we are in there like fucking swimwear, bitch. So, and this is really yellow too. That's what's crazy. So that's why it's like yellow, orange, red, green, on top of vibe. Regardless, bitch, it makes sense. Regardless, bitch, to me it makes sense, bitch. Okay, if it makes sense to me, bitch, it makes sense. The fuck? Yeah. We got 1B 18-inch. No, we got 2 18-inch. 2 18-inch. Then we got 1 copper. And I'm about to look like a fucking Barbie goddess. Really quick check-in. Cannot find my glue right now. Perfect timing. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna definitely find it. But it will be found, because I just bought it. hasn't been taken anywhere. But I was thinking about pre-gaming, but I think I'm gonna wait till like 9:15 to start pre-gaming. So we're gonna wait 30 minutes. Y'all, we got this going. Okay, she's cute, but y'all, it's 9:19. We gotta start pre-gaming. Y'all thought this was the pre-game? No, this was the pre-game to the pre-game. Let's get started. Well, technically, it's the pre-game, right? But it's the pre-game to the pre-game to the pre. Yeah.
I got tired of fucking that bitch. I got tired of word on my dick. I wouldn't be here if I wasn't here and keep on running your mouth. Hey, you try me, my fight. Fuck all sirens and I'm too fight.
Okay, we done with the base. Now, I've been sitting down for 30 fucking days and 30 nights, so I have to get up. This is so good though. Like, yeah. Exactly. Thank you. Wow, so cute. Woo. Curls, imagining. Okay, we gotta imagine it with the edges. And the curls. Bow. Teeth. And then this is gonna get raunchy overnight, so like it doesn't look synthetic. Because you know, the curly synthetic, when it looks like super duper tight, it still looks good. But when it gets that little bit of frizz, it looks really natural. So boom, I'm about to do these curls. And then get started on my makeup. Actually, I think I want to do my makeup first, honestly.
Baby, interior came with sheepskin. Still remember when, and I feel like you better. Try to call on my get the man. She's trying to run off with my heart, but I blocked off the S.
Can't find my fucking tweezers. We're not doing lashes. And so what? I'm unconventional, baby. I'm gonna start that motherfucking blonde bitch. OMG. The hair is fucking eating. I will not even lie to you. So we're gonna fix it after the makeup. It's not really that bad right now. Like the blend is actually decent, but I kind of want to like fix these up a little bit right here. every fucking thing done. But I just want to say thank you guys for almost 10K subscribers. I haven't had this channel for so long, and I'm just now like really putting my all into it because this is really where I like to document my life. Like, it's so cool. Like, I really just love YouTube, honestly, guys. Like, you can be like, content creators, lame. Fuck you, bitch. Suck my actual asshole. Hair is eating down too. Like, golly. We might have did our big one. We did our big one. Okay, we did our big one. Because you guys, I was looking insane before this. Do you understand that? I was looking insane. Do you see the nails? Oh my god. Shout out to my nail tech. Oh my god, I'm so ashy. Shout out to my nail tech. She snapped. Like, y'all seen. And she was kind. She traveled to me. She ate that up. And if you're in Atlanta, you need to hit her up. You need to hit her up. You need to hit her up. Hit her up now. Actually, right now, genuinely, because she's probably booked, bitch. Hit her up, because she's gonna snap on your shit no matter what you show her, what picture you show her. She's gonna eat that shit up. So thank you guys for watching. I love y'all so much. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you guys can become a part of my secret garden, my beautiful secret garden. You guys are my angels. You're an angel. You're an angel. You're an angel. If you're subscribed, you're an angel. Thank you so much. I'm removing all negativity from your life right now before you exit out of the video, and we're transmuting it into love energy, and I'm sending it back to you. I love you, my love. Goodbye.